Let me show you how to cut out's complex background in Adobe Photoshop. First go to Window, and open your channel panel. Select the blue channel, and click, and drag it into the new channel icon to duplicate. Go to Image, Adjustments, and open Levels window. Just make the darker pixels darker by dragging the black point to the right. And make the brighter pixels brighter by dragging the white point to the left like so. Then click OK. Now, zoom the image. Open your brush tool, and brush picker. Choose the hard round brush. Click Foreground Color, and choose black. Then click OK, and simply paint with black in areas that need to be black. Click on the Load Channel icon to make a selection. To select the image, go to Select, and choose Inverse. Select the RGB channel. And then click on the Mask button to remove the background. Now go to File, Place Embedded, and place your new background. Drag these handles to resize your image. Hit Enter on the keyboard. Move the background below layer 0. And that's it. Hope you liked it.